Dear students, hope you all will be safe and sound. Welcome back to your e-classes or online learning classes. This is to inform you that despite the announcement of the government regarding promotion of the students to their next classes, the purpose of sharing this assignment is to keep all of the students in a learning process and record of the submitted assignment has been shared with the in charges and heads also. Your science teachers are also preparing the feedback sheet on the basis of your submitted assignment or work. I hope you will fully understand the importance of these activity-based learning tasks and will try your level best to respond responsibly. Wishing you all the best for your task. Dear students, this is your second online assignment of the final term. In this second general science online assignment of the final term is an experimental activity. Through this activity, teacher will check out the content, scientific thinking, and scientific skills of the student. It means when you are performing your this experimental activity, you have to consistent of scientific thinking, content, and scientific skills. If you consider all three skills, content, scientific thinking, and scientific skills, then you have get good marks and you will learn much more from this experimental activity. The assigned task, important instruction for the conduction of the activity, last date of the submission, items required to submit in the Google Classroom are shared as under. What is your task? Your task is experiment with the freezing different mixture of salt and water. In this activity, you are taking 4 or 5 or 6 plastic cups, paper cups, glasses, whatever you have available. Then you have taken minimum 5 or more than it up to your choice. But this activity consists of minimum 5 cups or glasses. If you are taking 6 or 7 cups, then it is good. You will get better understanding. Now, for this activity, you must consider some points of remember. Before going to the points of remember, what you are performing in this activity. You have taken 5 cups, each cup filled with equal amount of water, and after that you will add a different amount of salt in each cup. Then take 5 cups in freezer and note the time after 5 minutes. Observe your glasses after 5 minutes. 5 minutes, what is the condition of ice forming in each glass? After 10 minutes, observe again. After 15 minutes, after 20 minutes, after 25 minutes. And note the observation you are finding. Now, points to remember. Quantity number 1 and most important point, which I already discussed. Quantity of water, source of water, and initial temperature of water will remain constant, means it will not change. You are taking 5 cups, each cup will have same amount of water and each cup water have same temperature. You have to change only the quantity of water. salt, sorry, from less to more, means cup number 1, 0 teaspoons of the salt. Cup number 2, 1 teaspoon of salt. Cup number 3, 2 teaspoons of salt. Cup number 4, 3 teaspoons of salt. Cup number 5, 4 teaspoons of salt. Record your observation in the given observation sheet. On the basis of the recorded observation sheet, you have observed the time of freezing for each cup and plot it in the observation table. After that, you will conclude a result to describe the relationship between the amount of salt in water and time it takes to freeze. What you have observed, what your findings after observing your observation sheet and your experiment. This is one of the most important work of your experimental activity. Share your findings in terms of observation and conclusion in the Google Classroom before 15th of June. If you have some confusions, then for your scientific thinking and concept building, this video is recommended. Here is the video. In this video, first is salt lowers the freezing point. Next, it is taking salt. This activity and your task activity both are different. In this video, you will get the knowledge of relationship between salt and ice. And in your task activity, it is totally different. You have to find what is you're getting from this activity. Okay, now ice crystals, like seawater. It is taking salt, water, and ice cubes, paper cups, and place both the cups in the freezer. After 10 minutes, water, cup with salt, cup without salt. Okay, you will watch it carefully and carefully listen this video for scientific thinking of salt and ice relationship. Now back to your task. Draw a bar graph. After you watching this video and your observation and conclusion result, then you have to draw a bar graph on computer sheet to show the amount of salt in water and time it takes to freeze. Either you will draw it or you will make on the Excel, Microsoft Excel, whatever you will feel comfortable. Important instructions for construction of the bar graph. These are the steps or instructions for the bar graph. If you are drawing or you are making in Excel, width of all the bars should be same. Take amount of salt in water on x-axis and time in minutes it takes to freeze on the y-axis. Must mention the scale. Share the image of graph in Google Classroom before 15th of June. Means you have to send a simplest video or your findings or conclusions of your result in the Google Classroom before 15 June and image, snapshot, picture of your bar graph on before the 15th June. Submission of observation sheet and conclusions carries 10 marks. You are submitting your observation sheet and conclusion means result. What your findings, what is your scientific thinking you achieve from this activity. It consists of 10 marks. Submission of image or of bar graph carries 10 marks too. And if your bar graph lack of some points like this, then you will lose your marks. In case of any confusion or inquiry, you can add a private comment in your Google Classroom, preferably around 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Science teachers of your section will provide you the required support in order to complete your task in time. This is your observation sheet, and after that, this is your graph. You have to make the graph. Observation sheet means 1 cup if you are taking cup, and if you have some measuring equipment to measure water, then you will take 300 ml for each cup or 500 ml or whatever you are taking the volume of water. But all the cups have same quantity of water. Then teaspoons of salt. Teaspoon of salt. Number first cup, it consists of 0 teaspoon. Next, it consists of 1 teaspoon. Third cup is consists of 2 teaspoons of salt. Next, fourth cup, it consists of 3 teaspoons of salt. And fifth cup, it consists of 4 teaspoons of salt. You have to take minimum 5 cups. If you are taking more than 5 cups, then you will get better understanding, better scientific knowledge. For each cup, you have noted your time. And after completing this observation sheet, you have to write the conclusion and findings of your result of your experimental activity. Then after that, you will make a graph. This is one of the most important points. Amount of salt in water on x-axis means you are making this graph. Teaspoon of salt, I am writing for your help. This belongs to x-axis, and this belongs to y-axis. This will make you more easier or more familiar to making the graph. And after that, you will make the graph. Okay, thank you.